And I am starting to think that we are going to need some kind of watermelon sponsor. Yeah, pump is on, and now there is about 50% air left. %20 air left. About maybe 10 or 5. I think the water is boiling now if there is any free water outside of the melon. Maybe 1 or 2% air left. And the melon has no signs of exploding or anything else. Now the vacuum is quite perfect and the watermelon is holding up. I think we have to drill a small hole to watermelon, and then all the gases inside of the melon should escape from that tiny hole. Let's do that. And now we have 16 mil hole on the watermelon. And now the pump is on. There is already bubbles inside of the melon. Some foam. Yeah, there is something is going on, but nothing crazy. Yeah, I think we are now at the point where the water is boiling and there is bubbles coming out of the melon, but yeah, now the situation is quite stable. Yeah, the melon is just bubbling away. And if we keep doing this, I think the watermelon is going to, I think it's not going to freeze but somehow dry up, but that would take very long with our pump, so we